Okay, so now that you have some understanding of what the Omniverse is, how it works, and how it connects users and tools to data, are you ready to get started? As a next step, I would like to recommend you download the Omniverse launcher and watch the Getting Started with Omniverse video series. In it, we will start with your first practical lessons on the Omniverse. We will begin by reviewing the launcher and continue to installing your first apps and connectors. If you prefer written documentation, you can also review the Omniverse documentation portal for additional help getting started. Whether you are interested in learning more about Nucleus, Kit, connectors, or apps, the information you seek is just a few clicks away. Okay, so that concludes this overview series. I look forward to seeing you in future tutorials and want to take this opportunity to thank you for your interest in NVIDIA Omniverse.